guys, welcome to day 22 where I woke up sick with a migraine, no energy, nothing. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. I haven't had breakfast, I haven't had a shot of ginger, I haven't had anything. I've had a little bit of water. I gotta take Kamora over to the shop so she can go to practice tonight. So I'm about to make my shake so I can at least have that while I'm on the road. I don't know, my head is killing me. I contemplated on not doing a vlog, but then I was like, that's the whole point. Real life, real problems, really trying to stay on track. So here I am, showing up for y'all and myself. I'm gonna go ahead and make my shake and fast forward. My Herbalife package just got delivered like an hour ago, but I don't even have the energy to open it yet. Later, hopefully this headache will go away. So I make my shake and sit down for a little bit and relax until it's time for me to eat. So here we go. Alright, so when I got to the shop to drop off Kamora, our dad gave her the card to come get some sushis. So now I drove her across this plaza so she can get some sushi, and I'm just waiting for her and her sister to come out, and Brooklyn is chilling with me with some snacks. And she's eating veggie straws. So I think I have this headache because I think I'm getting sick. I'm like stuffy, drainy. What do you think, Brooklyn?
The green gummies. It's the green gummies.
She thinks my super greens are making me sick. It doesn't work like this. This place is completely empty, and I don't know why it's taking so long for them to get their food.
They are eating.
We've been sitting out here for like 20 minutes. I'm ready to go home. I just realized Brooklyn posted her doll up. So, my head does not hurt as bad as it did before I left the house. I think taking the medicine and drinking a lot of water and closing my eyes for 30 minutes really helped. And I also think I might be like addicted to caffeine, because I think the caffeine in my shake helped too. All of that together, I think it helped. I still have like a baby headache, but it's not nearly as bad. It was like a serious migraine this morning. Hey beautiful people, I'm back home. I'm so sorry for today's vlog. Like, I suffer from serious migraines to where I start throwing up. So I'll do everything in my power not to throw up, because the last couple of times I had really bad migraines, I did throw up, and it was like in front of my kids and they're like traumatized. But I feel better now. I have a headache, but it's nowhere near what it was. But I got my Herbalife package, so I just wanted to share. I'm about to open it. I don't feel like eating. Doubt I'm gonna cook anything. I do, of course, I'm gonna share it, but I might just have another shake and call it a day. It's still pretty early though. It's only 6. So I just got like what I absolutely need all the time, forever and ever, and that's MELISA and Beauty Booster. I have more than enough tea, so I didn't order that. Our aloes, 1 mandarin, 1 cranberry, because I'm a cranberry lover. My kids are mandarin, and Aslandi he doesn't care. He just wants out. I have our orange lift off and pomegranate, because this is the most used in our house between me and my husband. Of course, vanilla, protein, and chocolate, because this is what I drink every day, forever and ever. This is the box that I ordered on Friday. I would have gotten it yesterday, but it was Easter, so I got it today. Tomorrow I won't have a migraine, so life will be normal again. But I do want to say I hope everyone had a very, very happy Easter. And I'm really sorry that today's vlog is going to suck. But like I said, I wanted it to be real, and this is as real as it's going to get. I'm just sharing real life. So let me know in the comments, like, if you're for real watching this vlog, can you tell me in the comments like more of what you want to see, and like if you want to see more, if you want to see less, or if I should add in some like life stuff that's not food. I don't know, like daily vlog. I don't know. I just feel I need to do something to spice it up, I guess. Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna go clean up my kitchen because I just made my kids something to eat. So.
my Starburst first is the 2.
The 2.
Potato.
That's not a 2. What is that?
Yeah.
That's an S. That's an S.
A 2 looks like a
We're not doing numbers. We're doing letters.
Okay. It's 9:30. My headache is finally gone. I'm about to take one of these. I haven't had one of these today. I'm not going to take the energy one, obviously, because it's 9:30. And he's back there making me a tea. Gonna take one of these.
Wow, a whole bunch of new Herbalife stuff in the cabinet.
He's excited because the box came, so everything is full. This is my super green. While I eat my super green, I'm gonna make my shake. I'll put it down. I don't know what the kids are watching. They're watching something on YouTube. And the kids are like going crazy.
The fun and crazy kids.
The fun and crazy kids, that's what they're watching. They scream a lot on their channel. But I'm doing my favorite kind of night shake, which is strawberry cheesecake. I actually need some more strawberry, but thank you. No, it's good. He made me my favorite lemon and beauty booster and cranberry aloe. It's my favorite. And I like it really hot. Strawberry cheesecake and water. Yep, I'm not gonna dirty another glass. Sugar-free whipped cream. Strawberry Hershey syrup. And I got my pearlescent today. We're gonna take a pearlescent shot. I'm trying to decide if I want to take one shot a day. Because, you know, pearlescent price went up. Cheers.
You looking at me like that?
You don't want this smoke?
Yeah, I want that smoke. Let me get some of that smoke, girl. She knows she wants me.
Alright, so that's that. My vlog today. I know it's not good, but I really get like these really bad migraines where I get like really, really sick. So I didn't really have anything today. Why are you posted up back there like that?
I'm security.
Okay. My husband has cabinets open and it drives me crazy. What was I gonna say? That's that. Tomorrow's gonna be better. I'm gonna actually eat and go to the gym. Hopefully go to the gym. Hopefully. But see you on the next video.